first
I don't know. You think I gotta answer my phone real quick.
Is it working?
That's on video right now.
Let's get it.
It's on video, dude. I got you on video, dude. Hey! There you go. I got you on video. Video killed the radio star.
Oh, it's gonna be so good. You can tell the meat's right there. It's real good. There's the fat head of it.
It's talking. I'm taping you right, dude. I'm taping you right now.
Look at that. Look at the ends. It's an octopus.
We're taping you. All right, here's Frank. First time in Hawaii, and he got a little hairy taco.
I cleaned it up. I even
he cleaned it up. And we're about to throw it on the fire.
See his eyeballs?
Yeah.
And they swim like this. They go.
I don't know how to take a picture, so I'm just videotaping. I'm just videotaping Frank right now. Because I don't know how to take a picture.
Octopus.
And here's this little lady walking by. Say hi. You're on video.
I don't like squid.
That's not squid. That's an octopus. No.
This is a 9-legged octopus.
Oh, that's good. Hold it up there like that. Oh, that's good. I got that filmed right now. But you're on video, dude.
That's cool.
Yeah, you're getting videotaped right now.
He had a 9-leg.
And here's John. Say hi, John. All right. Yeah, how do you shut this shit off?
You press it again. Press the button on the side again.
I don't know how to do it.
Just press it.
Pressed it.